In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste formatting in Google Sheets. If you've ever spent time making one cell look exactly right and then wanted another cell to match it, this is a very quick and useful feature to know. Copying formatting lets you duplicate the appearance of a cell without having to manually redo things like font style, text size, fill color, borders, or number formatting. It's a simple way to keep your spreadsheet clean, consistent, and professional. To begin, go to your Google Sheet, open the spreadsheet where you want to work, and make sure you can clearly see the cells you'll be copying from and applying formatting to. This method is especially helpful when you already have one cell styled the way you want and just need to reuse that same look elsewhere. Next, click on the cell that has the formatting you want to copy. Be careful to choose the correct source cell because Google Sheets will use that cell's visual formatting as the template. At this stage, you're not copying the content inside the cell. Unless you use regular copy and paste, you're only preparing to copy the design and styling. After selecting the cell, go to the top formatting row and click on the paint icon. This is the tool used to copy formatting from one place to another. Once you click it, Google Sheets is ready for you to apply that same formatting somewhere else in the sheet. If you don't immediately see the icon, take a quick look across the toolbar at the top of the screen, then click on the cell where you want to paste the formatting. As soon as you do that, the destination cell will take on the same formatting as the original one you selected. This means the appearance updates while the existing value or text in that destination cell stays in place. That's what makes this tool so useful when you want uniform formatting without changing your data. A good tip here is to double check the result after you click the destination cell, especially if your original formatting includes things like background color, borders, or number display settings. It helps confirm that the change was applied exactly as expected. And that's it. Once you know where the paint icon is and how the process works, copying formatting in Google Sheets becomes a fast habit that can save you a lot of time while improving the overall look of your spreadsheet.